I want to show you how you can create a Google form and have an automated email response sent to anybody who has filled out your form. First of all, you want to create a Google form, and in order to do that, you'll need to make sure that you have obviously a name and then an email address. It's going to be very, very important. So I'm doing this for a workshop. And next thing you'll want to do is you're going to go up to the responses menu right here. Now, if this is the first time that you're using Google Forms, you're going to have to choose a response destination, and I'll just say that it's a new spreadsheet, and I'll hit create. If this is something that you've created often, once again, you'll go up to responses, and then you'll go to view responses. This is the spreadsheet where all of your data is going to be collected. So the very next thing we're going to do here is we're actually going to go up to an add-on, and we're going to get add-ons. And when we go to get add-ons, we're going to search for something called Formmule. And there are two M's in it, so we're going to look for it, Formmule. And it's this right here, so we're going to go ahead and add that on. And it's going to ask for permission, so we'll say yes. We're going to give it permission. So once that is added on, then what we're going to do is go to Formmule. We're going to go to Setup, and we're going to choose the source and data to set up a merge. So essentially, this is a mail merge. Okay. So when we go to this mail merge, what we're going to do is we're actually going to select which sheet we want the data from, and this spreadsheet that we were working with is named form response number 1, so we're going to choose form response number 1, and then we're going to go right here where it says form trigger. Okay, so this will be sent on submission when the form is submitted. So let me just zoom out here just for a second, and next you're going to have templates and send conditions. So you're going to click on that, and you're going to notice that there are different templates. So you could actually customize this according to your message right here, how many templates you want. You can choose up to 15. And each different template will send out a different message if a certain condition is met. So that's something that's more advanced. I'm just going to show you something very basic, and we're going to send it for all rows. So next we'll hit save template settings. And when we do that, we're going to edit the templates. So this is where people are going to get an email response from you if they've filled out your form. So this form here is rather unique. Obviously, this right up here, we're going to have their email address, and then you can have a subject right here, and then an actual body of information. So let me go ahead and fill out a sample form for you. Okay, so I've filled out a sample form right up here. Now, this section right up here is going to be very important. This is where you're going to send the email to. This is one of the fields in your form, so you're just going to choose email address, and it'll automatically plug it in there. I'm also going to customize my message here, so I'm going to put right after hello, I'm going to hit space bar. I'm going to put their first name, and I'm just going to delete this right up here because I want it to say hello, and then their first name is in these carets right here, and then I'll put a comma. I'll say thank you for signing up for the workshop on, and I will put the time, and that's in this field right here. And once again, I will delete this question, and I'll add a period right here. I can preview it right here. I'm just going to show you, actually, to save time, what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of it, and I'm going to go into my actual Google form right here. So I'm going to view this live form, and I'm going to fill in my my information right here, and I'm going to say Wednesday, and I'm going to hit submit, and I should be getting an email message here promptly. Yeah, and it's going to be right here. This is the email message. It says, hello Matt, thank you for signing up for the workshop, and please arrive promptly. And then I can even add this to my calendar, which is pretty cool as well.